When it's so hot outside, you may want to stay inside and do some projects. It's a great time of the year to sew, and Mary Hance, Miss Cheap, has found us a place where we can do it on a budget.
Well, I'm not a seamstress by any stretch, but this is one of the best sales of the year. This is Textile Fabrics, and the whole month of June they're having 50% off almost everything in the store on fabric and trim. It's really a great time to buy remnants. It's a good time to buy high-end things. There's a lot of fabric in here.
What kinds of fabrics do they have for what kinds of projects?
Well, this is dress fabric. This is not going to be upholstery fabric or drapery fabric. Some of it you probably could double, could double as
pillows
that. But,
or whatever.
Right.
Yeah.
But it's mostly dress fabric, and they have some beautiful things in here.
If you're thinking of making something for a special occasion, they have such a variety here.
There's a lot of glitz, I'll say that. And the price range in here at the regular prices is about $7 up in the hundreds of dollars.
That's for these specialty things.
These fancy things.
Yeah.
So you can see that there'd be some significant savings. You have to buy at least a yard, but you would want to do that anyway.
So here's an example of a dress that was made from fabric here at Textile Fabrics. It's Dupioni silk. It's really pretty.
Right, and it would have been $60 a yard, probably something in that range. And so at this sale, you could have gotten it for $30 a yard. I mean, that makes a big difference when you're talking about a dress.
It does. They have some nice linen fabric that would make great towels, curtains, table runners.
And that looks like that would be pretty easy for somebody to put together too, but
sure.
Lots of stuff for children.
A lot of novelty
patterns.
fabrics.
It's just fun stuff that you could make dresses, or somebody could make dresses out of.
You know, Miss Cheap wouldn't miss the bargain area, and they have things back here that are 75% off.
Well, these are remnants, so you're not going to get more than, a couple of yards, but I thought this was a great one here. It was originally about $27, so then it was down to $13, then it's down again, where you could get this 2 yards for $6.98. And you wonder what you would do. It would make a cute skirt, it would make a great dress for a little girl. I thought it was precious.
If you're looking for bargains on trim, 75% off here. This looks like a great deal.
Well, and these are a 2-yard minimum, but some of these are $20 a yard or more. They're interesting. I mean, that's really fun. They say they sell a lot of this trim for like christening dresses and other sort of old-fashioned dresses that they make. It's beautiful, and it would be half of, it's not only $5 a yard usually, but you've got a half off.
That's a great deal. If you're looking for bling, this is super expensive stuff normally. This would be about $100 a yard, 50% off, but that's fine beadwork there.
That
it's
is
beautiful.
bling.
This is about $30 a yard on sale, so what a deal.
It is a deal, and they keep these behind the counters. They're so valuable, so that's a funny thing too.
Okay, so how long does the sale run?
The sale runs all this month, and it's at Textile Fabrics on Craighead. This has been in business for 40 years, almost 40 years, and this is a good place to shop.
Nice. All right, so while we're here, we want to tell you about one more thing that's going on. It's an annual sale that we always enjoy.
Right, and it started today. It's the Stuff Galore sale at the Ladies of Charity shop on State Street, and this is where they have it's like an indoor garage sale with all things for the house, and no clothes are in this one, but it's a lot of good stuff.
Yeah, we've been there before. It really is a fun sale, so I hope you'll check that out as well as this one. Thanks so much, Mary.
Thanks, stay tuned.